Hello everyone and welcome back to New Tech, and today we are going to show you how to connect your KOSPET Prime with iOS. As you can see, we already downloaded the app that is called wiiwatch 2, and you can go and search it immediately. It will show you this app. Let's go ahead and open it. As you can see, we have here the wiiwatch 2. This app is really simple. In case you haven't seen before, it only has 2 pages. The first page, as you can see, we have the connection port. Let's go ahead and turn the Bluetooth on. Now we have the connection port right here. We have to scan the QR code that is in the watch, and let's go ahead and do that first. It will open the camera, and now in the watch, as you can see, you have to go to the menu, assistant, connect phone, and there you have your QR code. Let's put this down, grab the phone and scan it. As you saw, that is really quick. The wiiwatch 2 has this speed with scanning, and that's really good. As you can see, now we have to pair it here in the watch and in the phone. We allow it, and now it says that is connected, as you can see in the phone, also in the watch as well. Now that is connected, we can see the options that we have here in the app. As you can see, we can now check the percentage of battery. Underneath that we have the health. Press the health. As you can see, we have sport, how many steps we did, burn calories, kilometers and minutes. Also we have the heart rate. As you can see, the last heart rate, highest and lowest as well. Underneath that we can see the sport mode, the sports that we can try. We have running, walking, indoor run, cycling, basketball, football, ping pong, badminton and rope skipping. That's pretty much it for the first page. Let's go ahead to the second. As you can see in the second that there aren't too much options, even though in the Android phones there are more options. As you can see right here, we have an Android, and we can see how many options more we have than in the iOS. But that's not the case for today, but we can see that in the iOS we have some options too. In the personal settings we have step count. As you can see, we have lookup device, auxiliary input, raise the screen, silent mode, feedback and instructions. That's all that we can get from iOS. So you have 3 options right here to turn on or off. Also the notification port is not here, but I think the notification will come in the KOSPET. So that's pretty much it for today's video in how to connect the KOSPET Prime with iOS. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to comment down below and we will try to reply to you or help you. Thank you very much for your time and support. Hit the like button, subscribe our channel, and we will see you in the next one.